Another day, another humiliation for Russian troops. That's what's happening in Ukraine almost every day in the last 100 days of the invasion. A Russian mercenary, who is believed to have played a role in the killing of prisoners of war and civilians, has become the latest top military figure from Vladimir Putin's forces to be killed in the Ukraine war. Social media channels and Russian newspapers reported that Vladimir Antonov, 44, had been killed by a sniper in Ukraine's second city of Kharkiv. He died at night during reconnaissance of the area, along with his comrade, presumably at the hands of a sniper, said the Pelling 03 Telegram channel on Sunday. Antonov hailed from the Mogotysky district, Transbaikal territory in the Siberian Republic of Buryatia, whose local news outlet Gazeta Nomer 1 described him as the region's most famous volunteer in reporting his death. The Ukrainian-run Peacemaker database, which lists Russian military crimes, said that in February 2015, Antonov took part in the execution of prisoners of war of the Ukrainian army in Logvinovo, Donbas in eastern Ukraine, where he had volunteered. The database describes him as a Russian mercenary and an executioner. Also known by the nom de guerre of Vaha, Antonov was part of the Wagner group of mercenaries who served for Putin in conflicts, but whose links to Russia's military aims are denied by the Kremlin. He has reportedly fought in Russian operations in Syria and Libya, and in December 2017 was awarded a medal for military merit. His death comes as another two of Putin's commanders, Major General Roman Kuchezov and Lieutenant General Roman Berdnikov, were reportedly killed by Ukrainian artillery in the Donbas region. Although not confirmed by Russian authorities, state television reporter Alexander Sladkov said Kutuzov, who was commander of Russia's 5th Combined Arms Army, had led people into the attack. It comes as another blow to Russia's armed forces, which have suffered high losses of senior commanders. Sladkov said Kuchezov is the 4th Russian general to have been killed in Ukraine. The Kremlin has confirmed just 3, while Western media sources have put the number at least 12. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.